This presentation is a brief overview of the My Account Canada site. To log into My Account Canada, go to myaccount.thomsonreuters.com. From there, click Carswell, and then click My Account Canada. If you have already registered, enter your OnePass username and password into the fields provided, and then click Sign In. If you have not registered, click the orange Go button located to the right. You will be directed to this page where you can enter your account number, invoice number, or order number, along with your email address to begin the registration process. Once registered for My Account Canada and logged in, you will see the following page. Due to confidentiality of customer information, a test account is used for this presentation. Let's review the different tabs to show you the type of information you can find under each. Click the Orders tab to see Orders and Returns, Returns History, and Returns Policy. If you select the Order and Returns link, for example, and then select Order, Invoice, or Delivery, simply enter the corresponding number into the number field and then select Next to be directed to the screen containing all the information regarding that order. On the Products page, you can see a list of the subscriptions currently active on your account. On the Reports and Alerts page, you can get an account reconciliation showing a list of all payments or credits and how they were applied to the different debits on the account. You can also get a list of the online users if your account subscribes to our online products. For LMA customers, we can provide you with a print shipment report. This details all the shipments that were sent out over a given period of time that were at no charge. On the People page, you'll see a list of the online users. This is only if your account subscribes to our online products. Once you select a link, you'll be directed to the page where you'll be able to add users, delete users, look at what their registration key is, and resend it if the user needs it. Notice that this account has 81 total users. You can use the ABC navigation bar at the bottom of the screen to find users by their last name. On the e-billing users page, you can see who is currently signed up as the e-billing contact for this account. You can also add new e-billing contacts or unroll them as well. On the Billing and Payment page, you can see the open items and balance detail, payment history, credit history, invoice history, and manage payment methods. The payment history is a list of all payments that you have made. Credit history lists all of the credits that have been received. Invoice history lists all the invoices. This account does not have anything under billing and payment, so let's look at another account that does for an example. Let's select Open Items and Balance Detail. Here you can see open items, pending charges, and balance detail. On the Open Items page, you can see that the items are broken out by types of charges and credits. You've got your subscription charges and any credits the account has. If you want to make a payment for one of these invoices, select the checkbox next to the item, and then click the Add to Payment Cart button, and then continue with the process. This concludes the brief overview of the My Account Canada site.